In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize projects in Asana. 5 minutes. Customizing a project in Asana means adding the exact fields your team needs, so tasks carry the context that matters, like priority, status, budget, or owner notes. We'll walk through the quickest way to set this up and make your project instantly more useful. First, log into Asana. If you're using a work account, make sure you're in the right workspace so you see the correct projects. If you don't have permission to change a project, you may need access from an admin before you continue. Open the project you want to customize. You can find it from the sidebar or search bar. It helps to skim the current tasks for a moment and decide what information is missing. That mini audit will guide which fields you add. In the top right corner of the project, click Customize. This opens the customization panel where all the power features live. If you don't see it, try switching to List or Board View. The button appears in both. Choose Add Field. Here you can either create a brand new custom field or select one from your company's library. Using the library keeps naming and options consistent across teams, which is great for reporting. Creating a new field is best when you need something project-specific. Name your field clearly, pick the field type, set the options, and click Create. For a simple priority, a drop-down with values like high, medium, and low works well. Choose distinct colors to make scanning easier. For budgets or estimates, use a number field and set the unit so it displays properly. Text fields are ideal for brief notes that don't fit elsewhere. If multiple values might apply to a single task, enable multi-select where available. Keep names short and unambiguous, and avoid overlapping meanings between options. Once you create the field, it appears in your project immediately. You can add it as a column in List View or as a card property on boards. Click into any task and tag it with the new field value. Try updating a few tasks to see how it looks. You can also drag the column to reorder it so the most important fields stay visible. From here, you'll be able to sort, filter, and build reports using this field, which makes stand-ups and status reviews much faster. That's all it takes to customize a project in Asana and capture the data your team needs right where the work happens.